Hi guys, this is Harsh and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create a partition on your Windows 10 operating system. So many of you having queries regarding how to partition our drive. So let's get started. So click on here, you can see the start menu. Now you will see there is a file explorer option. So click on your file explorer option, and now here you can see in the left pane, this is my computer. In my case this is my computer, and maybe in your case it will be my PC and any other. So now you need to right click on your my computer and click on this, you can see manage option. So click on your manage option. Now it will take you to this page, that is you can see computer management. Okay, here you can see that you need to come in this storage section. So and in the storage section you can see there is a disk management option. So you need to select this disk management. So click on this. Now this is your disk management. You can see it is showing your main disk OS, and I am having 920 GB space in this. So now here you can see this C drive in you, and in your case it may be another name like another C drive it may happens. So this is the main drive of our PC. Now so we want to partition this C drive. So right click on your C drive and choose, here you can option shrink volume. So click on this option, and now it will take some time, that it is saying that querying shrink space. So now you need to wait until this disk is querying shrink space. So wait. Yes, now you can see this window is everything is showing here in MB. So here in the third option you can see enter the amount of space to shrink. So we need to give here that this is the space, and let's say I want to make partition of 5 GB or 10 GB at many. So I have to write here 5000. So 5000 is equal to 5 GB. Here in this option you can see all are in MB format, so we have to write in this MB format. Now by writing here, now click on this shrink option. So select this. Now it will take time, and you need to wait until the disk is processing. So wait for the time. Yes, you can see here it is created here 14.6 GB, as I have already have my partition of 10 GB, so it has added another extra 5 GB in this. So not to worry, now it is having size 14.65 GB. So now this is our new partition. Okay, now you can see it is written here unallocated. So click on your unallocated partition, and here you can see there is option new simple volume. So click on this, and now it will take you to this window. You can see there is a new simple volume wizard. This window has opened, and now we have to click next, and here you can see our space size, so leave everything as default. Now click on next, and here you can see you can name your partition, and you can select any of the letters you want. In my case, let's say I am selecting this H, and now click on this next option, and in here in this option, that is volume level, you can name your partition anything, any name you want, like data, music, gaming. So let's say I want to give this name data mining. So let's say I give this name data mining, and click next, and after final step you need to click this finish. Now you can see the partition has created successfully. You can see we have created the data mining, and it is having 14.65 GB, and also you can see here it is showing here notification. Now let's check in our file explorer, so let's go. Yeah, you can see we have got a new partition space which we created. Okay, now at last I'm going to show you how you can delete your partition. So this is very simple. Again, you have to go in your file explorer and in your my computer, and again you need to select this manage option, and again it will take you to this window. Now go again in disk management, and here in your created partition, so right click on your partition, and you can see there is a option delete volume. So click on this, and after that it will ask you to create a backup for this. Of course you need to create a backup, otherwise it will delete your all the data from this disk partition. Okay, so by this process you can create your own partition in Windows 10 operating system. Now you have seen that how to create partition in Windows 10. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.